In today's video, I will show you how to make $177 easily. In this method you don't need any skill, any experience. You don't need any website. You don't need to invest any money. Anyone from anywhere can do this. But, disclaimer, this will not work for you if you're too lazy to follow and watch the entire video. So if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step shown in this video. Most people do the same mistake, and they can't make any money. First of all, go to this website. Today, I will show you a strategy that we never talked about earlier on this channel. That will allow you to make a lot of money online. So you can imagine that your earning potential is so high. And the best part is that you will not have to do the work yourself. Because I will give you an absolutely free tool, which is going to do all of the work for you in less than a minute. Now click on the register button right here. Once you click on this, you will land on this page, where you will need to enter your first name, enter your email address, type a password, and select the I'm a designer option. And click the continue button right here. After that it will take you over to the next page, where you can create your display name. Enter your first name, last name, select your country. They accept people from all over the world, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Select your payment method, type your payment email, and then click on this blue create and continue button right here. When you log into your account, you will get access to the dashboard. Now click on this browse jobs right here. Now search business card design here. Here you can see so many jobs open for you. And here on the right hand side, you can see exactly how much money they will pay for this particular project. If you stay until the end of the video, I will show you how you can get it easily without having any experience and absolutely free. Now go to this website where you can design a high-quality business card for absolutely free. All you have to do is click on the sign up button right here. Enter your email. Enter a strong password. Then click on the sign up button right here. When you log into your account it looks like this. Simply search business card right here. When you do that you will find lots of design here. Click on any design that you like. When you click on any design it will open a new page. Here you can customize your design. Here you can customize color, font size, text alignment, and so on. It is easy to do. So customize the design according to your client's requirement. After customizing your design simply click on the download button right here. After doing it, simply go back to this website and click on submit your design right here, where you can upload and submit and chance to win this amount of dollars for this. Now all you need to do is type a design title, design tags, select yes, then select yes if you use stock photos in your design, and select no if you did not use any stock photo. Then click on this box and click submit and upload button right here. You can do this again and again for all of those jobs that are available on Designcred.com. You can do it unlimited times. That's it for today's video. I hope you did get some value out of this video. Subscribe to this channel, and if you think this money-making model is complicated for you, then watch this easy method video.